Friday evening, we just finished work and stumbled upon a nice cafe on the street. After eating, hubby still had some drawing to do, while I continued to read my article on prophets and prophecy in the Hebrew Bible. Waiting for the traffic light to change, soaked in the cacophony of city sounds. People say in order to get to know a city, you need to walk. Walking through a city can be transformative, offering insights into its essence, identity, and sense of belonging. Finally, we reached Clarke Quay, where the illuminated shophouses against the night sky captivated us. Can you imagine what this place looked like 20 years ago? The shophouses used to be godowns or warehouses. The bridge was quite flat and old, devoid of any hint leading to a bustling shopping mall. Hubby actually did extensive research on this area during his internship at a conservation company. Proudly, he pointed out the plaque acknowledging his contribution to preserving the history of this place. The drone show started. 500 drones crafted a variety of shapes. Here's the firefish, the protagonist in the show, took the audience on a mesmerizing journey through the rich history of Clarke Quay.